Here's the last piece on tabs, and this piece is really useful. We've got a little restaurant list here, and what we will do with it is we'll set a tab, say here on 6, pull our prices over there. Now we could right align these, but there's not much point because they've all got 2 decimal places. But if this was a menu card, then it would probably be all the way over here. And that's when you get a problem, because people who need glasses and older folk and what have you aren't quite sure whether the soup lines up with the 350 or the rolls line up with the 350, etc. So what we need to do is to make it a little bit easier for them. So if we come to this tab and double click and say that tab, that's a left tab, that's okay. It could be decimal, could be center, could be right. A bar tab, by the way, draws a vertical line on the screen. That's its only use. It's not a positional tab. It actually physically prints a line down the screen. Not used very much. But down here, this is used a lot. Leaders. What a leader does is lead your eyes from one position to the next. So from soup to its price, and from sandwiches to its price, and from rolls to its price. There are 4 types. 1 is not very interesting. 2 is a series of dots on the bottom of the letter, or bottom of the number. And 3 is, notice that that's halfway up. And 4 is a solid line. So, what about we have a 2? We've got the 9 up here. A 2. Set that. Okay. Now, doesn't that leave doing full stops absolutely in the shade? Let's try coffee. Now, we don't have any lines, and the reason we don't have any lines is we haven't moved to the tab position yet. As soon as you hit tab, put you over there, and we can have coffee at whatever price you like. There's your tabs, enjoy them. A lot of people use tables instead of tabs, and that's particularly fine, but you can't do this in a table. This is the one thing that you can't cheat for in a table. Because if you do it in a table and this was bordered, then the border will be lower than the text and it looks really silly. If you know what I'm talking about, fantastic. If you don't, if you've got to do these dots, then tabs is the way to do it.